Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix keyboard if it's not working on your Asus laptop. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, I would like for you to go ahead and shut down your laptop. Okay, shut it down. And then once that's shut down, go to remove any peripherals. It could be a USB or USB cable. Remove it as well as the power adapter. Okay, remove it from your laptop and then go ahead and press the power button for about 50 to 60 seconds, okay, to drain the power. All right. And then once that's done, reconnect the power button. Okay, do not reconnect any other USB devices yet. Reconnect the power button, and then after that, just turn it on and check if it helps. Now, if that still won't work, go ahead over to your start menu right here, right click on it and click on Device Manager, and then go ahead and find keyboards. You should be able to see a PS2 keyboard right here. So just right click on it and click on Update Driver. Click on Browse My Computer, and then click on Let Me Pick. Click on Standard PS2, hit on Next. Wait for the process to finish, and go ahead and click on Yes right here to restart your computer. Now, once that's done, go ahead and check if it helps. Okay? If that still won't work, check the filter keys. If it's just laggy or unresponsive, hold down the Shift key, okay? Again, Shift key for about 8 seconds to toggle filter keys off. All right. And if all else fails, you might want to get it checked by a local technician, or if it's still under warranty, get it checked by the device's manufacturer. Okay. Or you could also try to right click on your start menu and then go to System, scroll all the way down and find Windows Update. Try to check for updates right here. And if there are available updates, install them all. And once done, go ahead over to Advanced Options and Optional Updates, as many of our device drivers will be right here. Install them all as well. And finally, just restart your computer. And after that, you should be good to go. That is how you fix your keyboard if it's not working on an Asus laptop. Hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.